Hi guys, I got this. I bought this uh, car mat from Coozo. Okay, it's Coozo is a website which provides premium car accessories. So I bought this floor mats. So it's a 7D floor mat, and the claim it is easy to clean, multi-layer, custom fit, and it's anti-skid backing. And looks like what the claim is exactly what it is. Let's fit it and then see how it looks. Safari into 2003 model and the facelift version. So that one I bought. So I care for it very much. So I bought a floor mat for that. So this is Kozo. I bought it from the official website. So it looks to be very nice. Very finishing wise, it looks very neat. And there is some latches, some velcros given for correct adjusting it. As you can see, the quality wise, it's very nice. And the velcro also fits very well. Okay, so it came in this nice cover. Okay, so they packed it very well and then sent it. I ordered it because my friend suggested to go with this. This costed me around 5,000. This one from Tata also we get this access as an accessories, but I that one comes to around 8,000. So I straight away saved 3,000 here. I'm not sure about the quality of that and the Tata accessory, but this one, if you can see, it's a golden color and the fitting and the finish looks very nice. The back side also looks nice. Since my friend who has been using from more than 1.5 years suggested this, so I trusted him and then went with it. I think it is too good. I bought it from the official website. I'll provide the in the description. I'll provide the link. Okay, so you can see Safari new version Safari is a 7-seater. This is the driver seat one, and if you can see, I like this logo. It's too nice. You can see the logo, the tiger roaring, so it matches with my Safari theme, right? So this is the golden color one. You can see, you can remove this, wash it, and then keep it back, latch it back. It's very easy to remove as well as put it back. That's it. Okay. This is the driver seat one, and this is the co-driver seat. And this is the second row one. Okay, this is the second row one, and this is the third row one. Okay, so I just now unpacked it. I'm going to fix it and then show how it fixes, and then use it and then give you the review on this. Okay. I just installed it on the co-passenger seat. It's not an easy one to install, but it fits nicely. As you can see, it is correctly fitting to the edge all the way to the end, wherever the foot can go. So everywhere it is going, and I don't see any gaps anywhere. It is nicely fitting everywhere. So not that easy. So the technique I use is for the Lycros, I pasted solution tape, because as soon as we put it, it will latch it, so we cannot adjust or move it. So with that, I could able to do it, but it took me a couple of attempts to do it. And the second thing that we need to do is pull the seat all the way to the back, so that you get ample room for fitting it. So, and these latches, there's some latches I can show you. These latches, yeah. So these latches, we have to open it and then slide it inside so that it fits neatly and doesn't come out. Right, nice thing. And then we need the nice button. Looks nice. Yeah. I use these solution tapes to attach to that velcro so that it doesn't stick till I adjust it well. Okay. Okay. It is installed installed very nicely. It latched to the edges all very nicely. Okay, and I don't know why here it has some extra thing, but it doesn't stop us or hinder us from the brake or to the accelerator. So it is at the top. I don't know why it is a little heavy. It has already reached the base here, so it shouldn't be this much extra here. There's some gap that looks here. Okay, but from that, it has latched all the way till you can see the steering wheel. So all the way wherever a foot can reach, it has reached there. So they're not done any. They're just sitting there. Okay. But what I noticed is on the left foot, we keep the left foot here. So when I keep my left foot, it comes till here. So this much, I don't know why I left it open. Unless I specifically make my foot like this and then put it, it doesn't touch. As you can see, the carpet, the black carpet is not dirty yet. Okay, I have kept it, but it is not got dirty yet. So it doesn't get dirty easily. I mean the footwear or my foot doesn't touch this black thing. But still, I would have felt it would have reached till here until here. I mean, of course, like not reach till here, but at least this portion should have been. So this can fit back to the Kozo. But other than that, let me put my leg and then show how it looks. Okay. And oh yeah, before that, I want to show. I like this logo very much. A tiger and it's a Safari car. The second tiger. Safari car. Okay. Yeah. Let me put my leg and show the gap. Okay. My leg will be like this. So adjust an half an inch or just 1.5 centimeter is little shorter, as you can see. Then it will not touch that black thing. My foot doesn't touch it, or my foot doesn't touch it, but still I would expect that to be the edge, because everywhere it is exactly the edge. You can see these latches here. I have put it properly, and like here, so there doesn't look to be any gap anywhere. Even it goes all the way nicely down, so it doesn't look anywhere. I think this was very smooth. Okay, and one thing, a small gap it shows here. I don't know why. Maybe I have to. The light is already on, so I have to stretch it here and then put it that. But I don't think that's a problem. But only thing is this one, and this is a bit extra here, and this is a bit less here. So those are the only two things that I see in the driver's seat. Other than that, it perfectly fits. Nice. Okay, and it doesn't interfere with the brake or the accelerator. They go all the way, and it doesn't touch. Yeah. So now the second row mat is also fitted in, and it fits very well. And wherever the leg can go, there is mat. So I don't think I have any complaint on this. So to fit this, all you have to do is push the front or the co-driver and the driver seat all the way to the front, and then the second row all the way to the back, and then obviously use the solution tape for that leg row, and then put it, make sure it fits well, and then start taking out the leg row, and then install it. So this went pretty easy, not as difficult as the first row, front row. Yeah. So one thing is I noticed is here a little bit extra is there. It has touched all the way exactly in the bottom. There's no room for going down. Here I see this is little, not, it's there in the place. It is there in the place, but somehow it comes out. Only one leg row is there. I think probably one here and one here would have helped. Or because it is new, it is like this. It is nicely curved in the corner, but this thing comes out. I don't know why. Okay, maybe the passenger seat is all the way to the forward, so that's why I could see it or notice it. But probably we will be keeping our legs till here, not till there. So even if it was still there, also it's no problem. Here it is fitting well. Here only I see it is little above. It fits, but yeah, that's it. Third row foot mat is also installed, and it is fitting well. There's no obvious problems I could see. It's fitting all the way wherever it is supposed to be, and it is covering here. Good. And yeah, only thing is here it is curving correctly as per this one, but here it is coming on this plastic thing. It's supposed to curve like this here, but it is curved straight like this. It should have come like this, just the way like this, but it is like this. So because of that, it looks like above, but it's not come up. So there's no problem with this. I feel it is adjusted around the corners here, and I don't see any cavity gaps anywhere. Okay, looks good overall. I like the quality and how it fits. It's very minor, almost ignorable mistakes here and there. That should be fine, and I'm happy with this. I like this. This obviously can be taken out and then cleaned and then put it back. Yeah. So yeah, this is what the review come instructions. Yeah, of course I used the solution tape for the Lycra there, right? After putting it, I removed those like solution tape. Thank you. And I'd like to thank my videographer, my kid as well. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So thank you. Bye.